is the day the Lord has made. I am rejoicing and I am so glad in it. On to the next. This is a lovely blue jean dress. And I always leave my notes on there so I can remember what I'm supposed to be doing with it, because she gives me so many items at one time. Well, this one, I am putting elastic on the sleeves. It kind of looks like it's elastic on here already, but it's not. It's just a hem, and it kind of hangs looks too big on her wrist. So I found some elastic that I'm going to use in place of the hem that they put on. So that's all I've got to do for this one, is just change the hem. And I thought that it was wide enough for the elastic, but it's not. So what I'm going to do is take this hem off and then maybe cut maybe 1.5 inches from the fabric and make a different hem so that it closed, leave a little bit open, put a safety pin on the elastic, thread it through, and then that will make it kind of clinch together like that. Alright, is the jean dress that I showed you guys earlier that I am revamping for my aunt. And if you remember when you saw the earlier version of it, it was cinched in like this. It was hemmed with this, and it had a thin piece of elastic type plastic that just kind of held it in, and she didn't really like that look. So what I'm going to do, I haven't decided quite yet what width I'm going to use, but I'm going to maybe try this one. I'm going to cut off this cinch part with my shears so that there will be no fraying. And then I've got several different types of elastic that I'm going to, I hope you can hear me, I'm in the other part of my room. I've got several different types of elastic that I'm going to, that's another thing you should always, like all my other supplies, patches, threads, embellishments, rhinestones, whenever I see something on sale, I grab it. And so I try to keep a large array of elastic, patches, zippers, linings, embellishments. So I've got several different widths to play with, and I'm just going to kind of play around and then decide which one I'm going to use. So I've used my little scissors, my tweezers, and I've taken the hem apart. And so now, I told you guys about this tape that I love, because instead of just picking this, believe it or not, I still have a lot of supplies from when I was in the hospital. And this tape, even when I'm taking apart a hem, it grabs the fabric, see? It grabs the thread and it just pulls it. So you don't have to sit there taking up time trying to get rid of all of the thread. Alright, so like I told you guys, I was going to show you each step that I take trying to decide how I'm going to finish this. So I'm thinking about maybe using either a 1/2 inch or 1 inch, which will give it a little bit more flair, I guess you could say, because using the same width, to me, I'm just going to have the same effect. So she wants it tighter too. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it with my shears, and then I'm going to hem it depending on what size width of elastic I want to use, and I'm going to sew it down, but I'm going to leave a little bit open, attach a safety pin or pencil or whatever you works best for you, and then I'm just going to thread it through, and then that's going to bring it back together, and she's going to have that real cool look. If you'll look at, I like this dress because I really like how they did it up here. So what's going to happen when I put the elastic here, it's going to give it like a balloon type look. And I think that's going to be really cool. So again, revamping DIY, something that you had before, you didn't like it, and you want to redo it to fit your fancy. Alrighty, here is the jean. Really cute dress that my aunt also gave me. I showed you guys earlier what the sleeves were like before I did my DIY, my upscaling, my revamping. This is Annette with With The Wear by Nettie, and just showing you the completion of another turnaround. Now she's red carpet ready. I don't know if you guys remember, but the sleeves, they had just, it wasn't really, it was like a plastic, thin gathering, and it wasn't really enough. It didn't really show the balloon effect that she wanted, so I took it apart and added another. This is a half-inch type elastic that I put on them that actually really highlights the balloon effect. And there you go. See her in all her new glory on Dilma. I'm sure you'll really get to appreciate the new look once she wears it. Slays it. Alright, again, you guys, be nice, kind. Think about someone you haven't spoken to in a while. Just reach out to them and say, hey, I was thinking about you. Just want you to know that someone else cares. Alright, you guys, I love you. Thank you for all that you do. We're growing slowly, but hey, one day at a time.